Hi there. Welcome back to our next session on C++ programming language. In this session we will continue our last session on control statements. In last session we discussed about conditional control statements. In this session we will learn about iterative or looping statements. Let's begin our session. The loops in C++ language are used to execute a block of code or a part of the program several times. In other words, it iterates a code or group of code many times. Advantages of using looping statements are: it saves code, and it helps to traverse the elements of array. There are three types of loops in C++: for, while, and do while. Let's see them all. Starting with for loop. The C++ for loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. If the number of iteration is fixed, it is recommended to use for loop than while or do while loops. The C++ for loop is same as C or C#. We can initialize variable, check condition and increment or decrement value. You can see the syntax and flowchart on your screen. We will understand it with an example. Watch the example carefully. In this example I am gonna print numbers from 0 to 10. Watch the example. Now let's see while loop in C++. In C++, while loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. If the number of iteration is not fixed, it is recommended to use while loop than for loop. You can see the syntax and flow chart on your screen. Let's understand it with an example. Watch the example carefully. Now let's see do while in C++. The C++ do while loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. If the number of iteration is not fixed and you must have to execute the loop at least once, it is recommended to use do while loop. The C++ do while loop is executed at least once because condition is checked after loop body. You can see the syntax and flow chart on your screen. Let's make it more understandable form with the help of this program. Watch the example carefully. Now let's see break statement in C++. The C++ break is used to break loop or switch statement. It breaks the current flow of the program at the given condition. In case of inner loop, it breaks only inner loop. You can see syntax and flowchart on your screen. We will understand it with an example. Watch the example carefully. Hope you liked the video. We will get to know more topics in our upcoming sessions. Till then, thank you.